Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily check in on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. So let's get started. First of all, open up Facebook app. And then make sure you are signed into your account. And after that, tap right here at the very top where it says what's on your mind. It allows us to create a new post. After that, you will see the interface like this. You can easily find an option which is called Check-in. Simply tap on Check-in. After that, you will be able to select any location from suggested. And also, we will be able to search for some specific location. This is how we can check in on Facebook. All we have to do now is just tap at Post. You can see the post is shared. This is how you can check in on Facebook easily. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below.